Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says let vector A equals this, vector B equals this, and vector C be a vector such that this. So, we have vector A cross vector C plus vector B equals 0. And also, we have a dot C equals 4. We need to find out magnitude of C vector square. Okay. Now, if you will observe the question, in this question they have given you cross as well as dot. So we should think about cross product, vector triple product. Okay. Now, with this idea, what I will do right now, I don't know what I should do. So what I will do, I'll go with multiplied by a both side. If it is not applicable, I'll go with multiplied by b both side. If it is not applicable, we'll go with multiplied by c, and the multiplication will be cross. Correct? So first I'll go with a. So it is a cross c plus b. So b cross 0 will become 0. Now look at this, how we will open this bracket. So we have a cross C, and then a cross B equals 0. Now, so who is in the middle? This A is in the middle minus. Who is the leftover thing in the bracket? So it is C. So you will be writing C vector. Now, if you are dealing with A, what are the leftover things? So can I go with A dot C? Now, if you are dealing with C, who is the leftover thing? It is A dot A, correct? Plus A cross B. Now, how we will find out A cross B? Look at this. You know everything about A, you know everything about B. So, we can find out A cross B. Now, who is A dot C? Look at this. It is already mentioned. So, 4 times A. Now, who is A dot A? A dot A is mod A square. Mod A is what? Root 2. So, it is 2C. Then we have A cross B. So, first find out A cross B. Okay. So, look at this. I'll change the color. So, A cross B. So, it is I, J, K. So 1, minus 1, 0, 1, 1 and 1. Now let's open. So it is I minus 1 minus j 1, then k 1 plus 1. So it is minus I minus j plus 2k. So can I write minus I minus j plus 2k in place of A cross B? Now let's update. So we have 4A. So I will send this to C that side. So 2 times vector C will be equal to 4 times A. 4 times A is 4I minus 4J minus I minus J plus 2K. Let's simplify things. So we got 3I minus 5J plus 2K upon 2. So we got our vector C. Okay. Now, if you know vector C, can you find out the magnitude of vector C? And if you know magnitude of vector C, you can find out the square. So how we will do that? Magnitude square will become what? 9 by 4 plus 25 by 4 plus 4 by 4. So it is 34, it is 38. 38 by 4. So it is 19 by 2 mod c square. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.